Good morning, YouTubers. What's up? Today we got an American Rebel right here. Little spring assist holder. Economical little knife. Don't know why to put the primary cord hanging out the back for. In case you drop it or something, I guess. Well, looks like 3 and maybe half, 5/8 blade. About 8.5 long. One-handed operation. Does have just a hair of an edge on it. Well, folks, have a good day. Stay warm, stay dry. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.